cantei berê berê, já cantei o tchá-tchá, pra você fiz lelê. Mas tem uma nova onda que agora vai bombar. Depois do ice eu te pego e do tchá-tchá-tchá. Agora eu tô chegando, vem aqui, vou te mostrar. Esse embalo gostoso é de manhã que eu vou parar. Te jogo na parede, te chamo de lagartixa. Ah, delícia, ah, delícia. A pegada é violenta, é meio sadomasoquista. Ah, delícia, quando eu danço na balada, a mulherada grita. Ah, delícia, se você tá com vontade, vou te colocar na lista. Ah, delícia, vem! Ah, delícia!
Unreal Engine 4, the mob assembly machine, S1 procedure on sequencer. The first sequence of the mob assembly machine is this object Y1 S1 moving up, driven by Y1 output of PLC open, and the air cylinder will push the object up 40 millimeters to push the Lumi bar on the horizontal shaft down the slope for assemble later on. You see, as Y1 on, this one will lift 40 millimeters, and as Y1 shut and lower back. This is the Y1 on off to drive the objects lift and lower. Let's see the cartoon chart. S1, Y1 on, the air cylinder will push up, moving and moving until reach the position of S2. As S2 of PLC on, the moving will stop. And then, as Y1 shut, the cylinder will lower down to S1 position. There are 9 sequence procedure S1 to S9. This video demonstrates S1 only. According to the CMS CAPP's table, Y1 S1 moving, you can see here. Translocated 1, linear moving, driven by air cylinder. The X moving distance 0, the Y N3 moving distance 0, the Z N2 moving distance 40 millimeter up. So the air cylinder located vertically. Okay, let's pass the information and to do the sequencer simulate on Unreal Engine. On the Unreal Engine, this is Y1 S1 objects. How to do the simulation? Press cinematic, the button, add level sequence. Give a file name, LS means level sequence. YF07 means the serial number of this machine. give a E at real. Save this file name to save the sequencer. Now you can see a sequencer showing on the screen. Let's press the track button. Actor to sequence. Pick the actor Y1S1 object. Then Y1S1 listed in here, and its which transform listed below. The PLC control all linear movements, so at the transform, just open the location. We know the cylinder push up. The lower position is at Z, 24.8 centimeter. When is 0 second. We lock this position by press transform this button. Locked. As Y1 on, the cylinder moving up. Suppose up to 0.15 second. The cylinder moving and moving, lift 40 millimeters. That means 4 centimeters. Moving up to 28.8 centimeters. Stopped because S2 input of PLC touched. At that moment, the Z located at 28.8. Then we lock the end position by pressing transform this button. Okay, thereafter let's see the beginning at lower position, the ending at upper positions. The moving distance 40 millimeters. At that moment, suppose we are waiting for the PLC response. Suppose it takes 0.15 seconds. That means at 0032 we have to launch the next output commands, which is Y1 shut. So the beginning position is at these positions. So we have to lock these positions by pressing transform this button. And the cylinder recheck and recheck. Suppose at the point 45 reached the lower dead end position S1 of the PLC actuated. At that moment, the Z positions is at 24.8. Then we lock the end position of the Y1 shut by pressing this button. Okay, done. That's the whole procedure. Then we pull the red end bar to the time 0.45. Then let's see the simulation of the sequencer. Pick the viewport and press function key of F11 to enlarge the whole machine. You can see Y1S1 clearly. Here is the play button. As I push the play, the bar will moving. At the beginning, the bar should stay at 0 second. As push the bar running to here, the Y1S1 object moving to the topest position and stayed for 0.15 seconds and then lower down to these positions. Let's see the simulation. Up, stay, and down, ending.
Eu quero tchau. Se liga nessa nova onda. Tchau, tchau, tchu, tchu, tchau, tchu, tchau, tchau, tchu. Eu quero tchu. Eu quero tchau. Eu quero tchu, tchau, tchau, tchu, tchu, tchau, 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 tchu. Já cantei barabará, já cantei berê, berê, já cantei o tchu, tchá, tchá. Pra você fiz lelê.